Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you can change a background in CapCut. So if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech, so let's get in. Now what you need to do is open up CapCut app in your phone and then wait for it to load. Once it is loaded, what you need to do is either you guys can open a new project or you guys can open up a previous project that you have already edited, and you guys can change the background. Alright, so for example, I have edited this background, this project before, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just change the background of this video clip. Alright, now what you need to do is make sure that you have no video clip selected like this one. So what you need to do is just hit on the blank, and then it's gonna unselect the video. Right now what you need to do is just swipe left from the bottom menu until you see this canvas option. Alright, once you hit on canvas, you guys can see three options. One is color, other one is background, and other one is blur. Now if you hit on the color, then you guys will be able to add a color to the background, like just select the color and then it's gonna be added to the background of the video. Right, but what you guys can do is just hit back and then hit on the background, and from here you guys will be able to select the CapCut gallery. You guys can select through the CapCut gallery any picture that you want to add to the background, or what you guys can do is just hit on the plus icon on the image, and then you guys can add a background image to your project. Alright, and then hit on tick, then it's going to be added to it's going to be added to the video. Or you guys can also use this blur option to blur out the background. Right, for example, like this, I'm going to select this one, then as you guys can see, it has blurred a background from both of these videos. Right, then hit next, and then it's gonna be automatically background in in your video. Now what you need to do is select the resolution, for example 1080p, 2K, 4K. That's going to be up to you, and then hit on the export button, and then it's going to export the whole project into your gallery, and then you guys will be able to share this project with your friends, or you guys can upload this project on your social media platforms. Alright, so guys, that's pretty much it. That is how you guys can add a background in to a video or any picture in your CapCut. Okay, so guys, for the course of this video, that's it. If you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So see you in the next video. Peace.